Hi everybody, I am your Prasad. Now I am going to explain you second unit important question from the subject Computer Organization and Architecture. As my many subscribers and my students asked me to write all questions at one place and explain them to overcome the confusion of some of the twisted questions, and I will give you so many hints, tips and tricks in this video so that you can cover unprepared questions, unknown questions which may get in the question paper. Short questions also I will tell you, right? Watch till the end. I will give you so many hints and tips and tricks, right? And I will clarify your confusions in the questions. See here with a cursor I will explain. Computer organization and architecture. Here is second unit. See with a marker I will show you. I will put blue marker. Second unit, we have in second unit two chapters. Chapter 1, micro programmed control, that is nothing but control unit only. Micro means small, programmed with some programs. Control unit in designing and how it works and all. So I am giving some common sense to write in your own words. Second chapter is central processing unit, CPU. Central means middle, processing unit, it's a brain of the computer. Processor, that is CPU, that is the second chapter. So here we will going to cover now essay questions. As I given you hints, tips before videos, how to pass the exam and how to get more marks, right? How to prepare within one day also I told you. That is SMS questions. I wrote some 11 here. First question is explain the general register organization. See the cursor. I will put the marker also. Now I will put red marker. Explain general register organization. This is the direct syllabus question. Actually this is from second chapter. I wrote first only. General register organization of the processor. This was given in the March 2021. So before year in 3B, right? 3B question in the second chapter question actually this was. So it may be chances for getting now March 2021. No, last year questions may not get, before year questions, so it may be getting chances of see, watch till the end. I will tell you so many tips and tricks, hints also I will tell you hint, and I will clarify some of the questions confusions here, right? I wrote here some of the questions which was twisted. I will clarify those also, and your preparation will be very easy with this. So this is direct question, general register organization. This is there in the syllabus. This was asked in March 2021, 3B. So 3B means 5. Generally we will get in part B 10 marks or 5 marks or 5 marks. So you need to write accordingly that. Here it is 5 marks only. Now see the second question. With a cursor I am explaining second. Draw block diagram of control memory. Actually control memory is a short match question. When it is added some tail, some sentence, associate hardware needed for selecting. See here, next micro instruction address, it has a diagram. Next, this is the key point here. Next micro instruction address and control memory. See, while you are seeing the question paper, you feel that the question paper is very tough, any subject. But thing is, you need to read 2 or 3 times. Out of that whole sentence of the question paper, you can find some word like control memory and next micro instruction address, and remaining will be RAM, ROM, some numbers he will be given, some twisted sentences he may given. But while seeing this, you can write the answer. So this is very easy. This I have not covered actually. This I have covered. General register organization I have covered this video. This is very very important. First one 3 stars, and this is also important, but this is I have not covered. That's why I put red mark here. See here, red line, that I will show you. And I told you I will clarify your confusion also. See, the next question is same question but given twistedly. See here, explain briefly about control memory. Same control memory, but and micro programmed control organization, micro program control, same question. It has a diagram. This I have not covered. This both are same. See, I have put a line here and I remove all the markers so that you can see it clearly. This I was not covered. Probably in the next video I will cover it. This is very simple and easy one actually. And the next fourth question is explain about address sequencing. See here, this is one confusion question, and here we have one more confusion, right? Watch till the end. I will tell you so many tricks and tips, hints also. I will tell you hint how to write the short questions at the end. At the end I wrote short questions here, and I have given my phone number also. I will tell you, watch till the end, and I will clarify you some confusing questions. This is one confusing question here. See here, address sequencing, and we got addressing instruction, and here we got addressing modes, right? I will tell you that address sequencing means this is the first chapter's question. Sequencing means next line by line. Next, in our mother tongue we say varsaga. This has a diagram only. This is not so important actually. This was not given in any question paper. Only given in all in one's some more some important question bank only has given. This is not given. This video I have not covered actually. If you in your strategy, first you prepare, I told you, no, for every unit you prepare 10 to 7 to 10 questions, essay questions. Out of that, first layer prepare 5 questions and tick them. Then you jump into other unit and you tick those, and then you come back, you prepare like these questions, this type of questions. At the end you are very topper. If you want to get more marks, you go with this. Even I have not shooted this. This is very easy question actually, but probably I will try to shoot it. Next we have fifth question. Write about designing of control. This is very important question and direct question, direct title question. The title is micro programmed control, nothing but designing of control unit only. See here, control unit. Micro means small. Program, writing some program. Control, nothing but control unit only. This is the direct question. Designing, constructing, manufacturing control unit. We will design all separate unit. Control unit separately manufactured, ALU separately manufactured, MU separately manufactured, RAM, ROM, then all together connected to the frame a computer, whole system, whole machine. Right? That is the objective of this subject. So nano machines will be there in future. 64 128 bit will be there, 256 bit will be there, very fast machines will be there. Write about designing of control unit. So this is direct question. I have shooted this video also already. Now we will jump into next chapter of the second unit. Central processing unit, CPU, is the next one. See here, one more twisted question. Explain 4 types of addressing instruction. See here, this is actually instruction format only. Instruction format. Previously I told you, no, that confusion is address sequencing means we have a diagram here. Address sequencing. Here addressing instruction is nothing but instruction formats. Instruction rule format, methods, rules యొక్క పద్ధతి మొత్తం. It is of 5 types. 3 address instruction, 2 address instruction, 1 address instruction, 0 address instruction, and RISC. So total we have 5. 1 3 address, 2 address, 1 address, 0 address, and RISC. So he is asked only 4. So and the giant professor want to confuse the students. Addressing instruction, when you need to find the word instruction, nothing but instruction format. That's why I'm telling every time which unit, which question. For every video I'm taking 1 to 2 minutes time to explain you which unit, which topic, which chapter question, so that you can understand the question if it is given confusingly also, right? So this is instruction format only. This is of 5 types, but he asked 4, so you can remove this RISC, you can write this 4. Otherwise you can write this also, for if you get this for 10 marks. So 3 stars I kept. This is important question, right? Okay, that is confusing questions. Next we have addressing modes. This is direct question. Addressing modes means methods, పద్ధతులు. That is of 10 types. This is theory question, right? This is a theory question. This is a diagram question, and this is also theory question. Some mathematical things will be there. Instruction format. You can see my video playlist. At the end of the video also I will put in the card, and in my description box also I will provide all those. And here next eighth question is discuss the need of memory stack, right? This was not so important. This is actually out of syllabus question. That's what I'm telling. Stack. So stack organization, right? Stack organization is the topic, but that is not there in our direct syllabus. I will show you the syllabus. This is the syllabus, right? In the second unit, COA, second unit, microprogram control is the first chapter. Here control memory, right? This is first topic. Actually, this is a short marks question. If you added sequence of micro instruction programming means that has a diagram, and it is essay marks question. That I will probably shoot it. And address sequencing is the next question. This is having diagram. This was not given anywhere. This was not shooted. Probably I'll try to shoot it. Microprogram example. This I have shooted. This may have chances, less chances. Designing control unit is having more chances because it's a direct question. Designing of control unit, control, this is having more chances, and this is also having more chances. This is we cannot guess. This is also having chances. This already shooted. And central processing unit is the second chapter. Their general register organization is the first question. And instruction format, just now I told you. Addressing instruction means instruction format both are same. Addressing modes means 10 types. Direct question, that is theory. This is 5 types. And data transfer and data manipulation, program control, these are 3 types of data transferring modes, data converting methods, one register to other. This is the syllabus, right? Very simple. Now coming to the topic, I hope you confuse your doubts, right? Your doubts removed now. Addressing modes means 10 we have. That was given in the last year. So this year may not get this question probably. Now discuss the stack organization. This is out of syllabus question, right? No need to prepare that. If you are very clever, first to prepare 5, then go for the next unit, prepare 5, then next round prepare 3. After that round you try for this third layer of preparation, toppers. This eighth question, right? This one, stack organization, very simple. Stack organization means one box will be there, first in last out, last in first out, last in last out only here, because one side it is closed. That instruction will be stored inside, right? Last in first out. This topic will be, stack will be there in the operating system, it is there, Java it is there, CO our subject it is there. In most of the subject this topic will be there. This is the technology. Stack, here we will store data and instruction in the form of zeros and ones, and we will extract it. Stack, it has a diagram and you need to explain it, right? It is there in the textbook, Morris Meno, right? You can see it and you can collect it, or you can search in the Google also. But thing is, this is out of syllabus. This is no chance of getting it. Only in all-in-one model paper it was given. 8th question. Next we will jump into 10th question. Discuss various types of instruction format. This is direct question. See here, instruction format, direct syllabus. This and this are same. 6th question, 9th, both are same. This is given twistedly. 4 types. Actually it is 5 types. I wrote it here. I will zoom it and show you. See, I wrote in red mark. That's what I am telling. I will remove your confusions, and I will tell you hints, tips in the short marks question. Watch till the end, and I will give you my mobile number, and I will put the video card also at the end of this. Instruction format is given like addressing. See here, addressing instructions. So don't get confused. Addressing instruction means instruction format only, right? Address sequencing means varsaga. It has a diagram. This is not important one. This is important one. And addressing modes is important, but given in the last year. So this year may not chances for getting, right? Next question. where we are now discuss various instruction formats. See, this is direct question, and this ninth one and sixth one is same. Here this second one and third one is same. This is having chances getting or control memory, and the next micro instruction address, and this one is the keywords. So if you read a question paper 2-3 times, you will find one word which you have prepared out of all twisting the question. So from that knowing word you can write it. ఈ తెలిసిన పదాన్ని పట్టుకొని రాసేయడమే, మిగిలినంత కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఇస్తాడు అనమాట జేఎన్2 ప్రొఫెసర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ 10th క్వశ్చన్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. రైట్, డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇవి మూడు: డేటా మ్యానిపులేషన్, డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కౌంటర్. ప్రోగ్రామ్ కౌంటర్ I wrote in short questions, right? How data transfer from one place to other place. This is of 3 types: logical, arithmetic, logic, and there that I will explain you. If it is not suited, I will shoot it in short videos. Very simple and easy. So out of this 11, you prepare 5 in first layer. In the second layer you prepare 3, right? Mostly that was enough. First layer you prepare 5, jumping into other unit, and you prepare 5 in that unit. In like that 25 from 5 units, 25 essay questions. See here, essay or long answer questions. Then you go for next layer, short questions. Then you can relax. Then you can go for next 3 questions from every unit, because in part B, right, this is one more session: 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. These 4 are from first unit only. First unit. Sometimes you will get 2A only for 10 marks. Part A 10 marks. This is for 5 marks. This is for 5 marks. Or you can attempt either this or this. So for every unit 3 to 4 questions you are getting. So I'm suggesting you to prepare 8 questions. First layer 5 questions for every unit, because you should not stick at one unit only and preparing all topics all eight together like a faculty or like doing PhD. Don't prepare all the topics in first unit only. Just prepare 5 questions, then jumping into other unit 5 question, 25 question. After that cover for short questions like 25 essay questions and 25 short questions, right? Then you come to remaining units, prepare 3 questions. So write 8 questions. 8 5 are 40 questions, more than enough. If you want to try like this questions, you can try later on, right? Then you can get more than 70 marks, right? So here I will show you the short questions, and here it is my mobile number. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, right? As a student asked me to prepare this important questions, so I am preparing for them, so that the preparation for them is very easy in the exam. 9849181823 is my mobile number. You can call me at any time, right? Next here, short marks questions for second unit, micro program control, first chapter. Define micro program control. What is micro program? Micro means smallest program to design the control unit. For designing control unit, we can design in 2 ways: micro program and hardwired. Hardwired is nothing but hardware, gates, AND gates, OR gates, NAND gates. With the gates we can design, or we can design with the programs also. Then I will show you the videos which I told you now. One video is this. See here, micro program example.
Right, today's our topic is micro program example. Micro program example. This is a topic from second unit of COA subject and first chapter. First chapter is micro programmed control. Programmed control. The circuit chips will be micro programmed. Micro programs, mini programs. With mini programs they have.
See here, for every topic I am telling that thing, that this is from which chapter and which topic, so that you get a idea that which question it is getting. So if you know those topics, you can skip that little bit if you know the basic points.
Design.
Then after
control words how can
the diagram is important. Here we are getting this
question you've been asking, keep that title only, don't by hand it. Write simply. right? You can put micro program explain bullet points. Here we have diagram will be means question, whichever question you've been asking, keep that title only, don't by it, write simply, right? You can put micro program example, no issues, but draw the diagram neatly and explain bullet points. Here we have diagram will be like this. Here we have one box. This box is,
see, I explained very clearly and simply. So many my subscribers also told, sir, your explanation is very simple. And one more topic is from this micro program example, and this, right?
this box is memory unit, MU.
Both are same. So we have I have covered so many videos. You can see in my playlist, you can find most of all the topics which are kept in red mark only. I have not covered, that I will cover later on, right? Control memory, that topic, address sequencing, that is not there. And this probably stack organization, I won't cover this, right? This is out of syllabus. Actually I showed you the syllabus also. And here now coming to short questions, micro program control. Then we have what is the advantage of disadvantage. See, this is out of syllabus. Advantage, disadvantage of micro program example, right? Out of syllabus. This you need to write in your own words, right? We can design hardware diagram and micro program diagram, and micro programs with micro programs we can design the circuits, gates and all. With hardware parts, hardware means ND gates, OR gates also we can design. The advantage, disadvantage, I can find it out and I will tell you probably in 1 minute video, short videos, so that your time will not be wasted. One day before also you can prepare. We have 2 days more, right? For AML students we have 4 days, 3 days, 29th it is their exam. And then we have next topic, define control memory. Control memory is a collection of control words. In general English, words means letters. Here words means variables. Control variables. Variables means zeros and ones. Control memory is a part of control unit. Control unit. That's it. This is short marks question. Control word, collection of this, right? Very simple. Then we have next micro instructions. Micro means small. Small instructions. Micro program. Generally program means C++, Java. Program means collection of group of set of micro programs. Set of programs. When we add micro program, set of micro instructions, collection of group of micro instructions, right? That's it. Then control address register, CR car. This will be there in a big SMS question diagram. It is there in control memory. I told you now I will cover in this video. There it is there. Control address register, that will control. Sequencer means next address generator. Hardwired. See, hardwired means nothing but hardware only. Hardware with the gates, ND gate, OR gate, exclusive OR gate. We will design the control unit. That's it. Very simple. See, in short marks question sometimes I will cover these questions mostly, don't worry. And in SMRs questions also you will get short marks question. If you prepare short marks also you will get in SMRs question. In last video also I told you. Sometimes you need to write which essay question you will get. You will prepared more. You need to write at the end. You need to write part A also. All questions you need to attempt. While I am doing invigilation, I am seeing that most topper students who are writing very well, they are not writing some of the questions. See, in part A 1, A, B, C, D he will be giving. A, B, some writing. They are not writing some questions. They are lefting it. They are blank. They are leaving the page like that only. I don't suggest that. You need to, if any question is asked, you draw this question with black pen and write in your own words, related hammering, related points, but don't leave any short question. Attempt all 10 to 10 short questions. That's what my main suggestion is. 10 short questions. And essay questions also, you read 1-2 times of the question. You can find a word and you can drag the topic and you can write it out, right? So that you can get more than 70 points out of 75. Then you will get percentage. Then you can enter into software companies, right? Okay, next we have sequencer, hardware routine. Routine is nothing but very simple. I told you, control memory is a collection of control words. Control words is nothing but control variables collection. See, this is greater than this is greater than this is will be there in the control unit. So control variables are nothing but zeros and ones. Some group of zeros and ones is called routine. If you map some zeros and ones here to here, that is called mapping. That's it. Very simple. Right here, this is my phone number. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Define CPU. CPU means central processing unit. It will do all process. This is the brain of the computer. Control word is a collection of control variables. It is the part of control unit. That's it. Then explain the program counter. This is one more confusion here. Program counter and what is program control. Here it is control, it is counter. Program counter is a special type of register. This one, program counter, it will count just like bank employee. It count లెక్క పెడుతుంది. ఏంటి జీరోస్ అండ్ వన్స్ వాటన్ని లెక్క పెడతాయి. అక్యుములేటర్, రిజిస్టర్, ప్రోగ్రామ్ కౌంటర్, sequence counter, these are all registers, special type of register. Instruction register, data register, address register, those are all direct register is there, R is there at the end. Here sequence counter, program counter, accumulator, these are special type of register. Program control will controls the program counter. ఇది కంట్రోల్ ఇన్ ద మీనింగ్, ఆ పేరు మీనింగ్లోనే ఉంది కంట్రోల్. ప్రోగ్రామ్ కౌంటర్ని, కౌంటర్ అనే స్పెషల్ రిజిస్టర్ని ఇది కంట్రోల్ చేస్తుంది. దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఈస్ ద షార్ట్ మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్. దెన్ మైక్రో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. జస్ట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ దిస్ వీడియో టు యూ. దిస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ ద షార్ట్ మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. యూ రైట్ బ్రీఫ్లీ. ఇఫ్ హార్డ్వేర్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్, యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ essay marks question. Right, most of all my videos I have covered and you can write very well. Right, all the best for your exam. See, you can take screenshot for this and I will put in the end card also all the videos. Right, all the best for your exam and for your bright future. Right.